You are going to do something big in your life, but there is a voice in your head telling you you're not good enough, you're not smart enough to make that kind of a decision yet. Look at you, you're 24, you don't have anything to your name. Why do we have negative self-image? Why do we feel like everyone is better than us? There are mainly 3 reasons for it. तुम अगर इस पार्ट को स्किप करना चाहो तो तुम कर सकते हो, go ahead, but I highly recommend कि तुम ये पार्ट को पूरा देखो, because अगर तुम्हें बात पता ही नहीं होगी तो तुम्हारी खुद के लिए इतनी नेगेटिव इमेज क्यों है? How the fuck you gonna change it? And the third reason is the most likely culprit of your self-doubt. Imagine you are working hard on something like an exam. You are studying day in and day out. तुम कभी कभी अपनी मील्स भी स्किप कर देते हो to not to get distracted from your studies. और कुछ समय बाद तुम वो पेपर देते हो और तुम्हारा रिजल्ट आता है and you are not selected. तुम्हें पता है कि तुमने अपना 100% दिया, तुम जो कर सकते तुमने वो किया, but you still not be able to clear that exam. तुम्हारे मन में ये थॉट्स आने चालू हो जाते हैं कि maybe I am not good enough for this. मैं शायद इसको कभी क्लियर कर ही नहीं पाऊंगा. Maybe this is my limit. You start doubting yourself because you failed in something that you are striving towards. और तुम्हारी मेंटलिटी ये हो जाती है कि अगर मैं ऐसी चीज को अचीव नहीं कर पाया जिसके लिए मैं इतनी मेहनत कर रहा था, जिसके लिए मैं इतना ट्राई कर रहा था, मैं अपनी लाइफ में क्या ही कर पाऊंगा. एक रीजन ये हो सकता है you get self doubt after someone leaves you. Imagine you have this girl who you think loves you dearly. वो हर बार तुम्हें प्रेज करती है तुम्हारे पॉजिटिव ट्रेट्स के लिए, like you are doing very hard work and I love your discipline, which pushes you to do better in life, but suddenly she grows cold and doesn't want to do anything with you. Now you are devastated. तुमने वर्कआउट करना बंद कर दिया और अब तुम हार्ड वर्क भी नहीं करना चाहते because you don't have her to admire you anymore. और तुम्हें ये लगता है कि अब तुम कुछ हो ही नहीं, you are not shit anymore. Even though कुछ नहीं बदला है, तुम्हारी लाइफ में कुछ चेंजेस नहीं हुआ है सिवा उसके तुम्हें छोड़कर जाने के अलावा. Imagine or don't imagine, just think about your day. You just wake up and the first thing you do is to pick your phone. और सबसे पहले तुम उसमें इंस्टाग्राम देखते हो कि किसी ने तुम्हें कोई मैसेज भेजा है कि नहीं, तुम्हारे दोस्त ने तुम्हें रील्स भेजी है या नहीं, और फिर उसके बाद तुम रील्स देखने में लग जाते हो. Then finally you wasted the most important hours in your day. You eat like shit, you didn't work out, you didn't do anything productive. Are you even surprised that you don't believe in yourself, that you doubt your abilities? अच्छा, मैंने खुद की और तुम्हारी बेइज्जती तो कर दी. सॉल्यूशंस क्या हैं इस चीज के? सबसे पहले, अगर तुम ऐसी चीज कंप्लीट करने में फेल हो जाते हो जिसको तुम बहुत डेस्परेटली क्लियर करना चाहते हो या जिसको तुम बहुत डेस्परेटली अचीव करना चाहते हो, रिमेंबर दिस इज नॉट द ओनली चांस यू गेट इन योर लाइफ. तुम्हारी लाइफ खत्म नहीं हो गई है इस एग्जाम के बाद, और वो एग्जाम भी बंद नहीं हो गए हैं. इट इज नॉट द ओनली चांस टू क्लियर दैट एग्जाम. इफ यू आर नॉट द ओनली फैक्टर एट प्ले हियर, मे बी यू आर जस्ट अनलकी दिस टाइम, बिकॉज बहुत सारे एग्जाम्स में स्किल और लक दोनों इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं. फिगर आउट व्हाट मोर यू कैन इंप्रूव फॉर द नेक्स्ट टाइम, क्योंकि अगर तुमने 100% इस बार दिया है, अगर तुम उसमें 1% का भी इंप्रूवमेंट कर लेते हो, द चांसेस ऑफ यू क्लियरिंग दैट एग्जाम विल ग्रो एक्सपोनेंशियली, बिकॉज देयर इज नथिंग इन दिस वर्ल्ड दैट यू कैन नॉट अचीव विद हार्ड वर्क एक्सेप्ट फॉर द वुमन यू लव. Which brings me to the second point. Imagine doubting yourself because you didn't have someone. I was there. Just ask this question. Is she the one who is doing all the hard work for you? Listen dude, she's just stating the obvious fact. Suno, I'm repeating this. Listen, I know it's hard not to hate yourself when someone you dearly love left you. But you have to understand this thing. The quality and the skills that you had is not gone with her. You still has those. One more thing. When we go through a breakup or when someone left us, हमारे दिमाग में ये बहुत आता है कि she left me because I have no value. She left me because I'm a piece of shit. I look like shit. I don't have enough money. I don't have this. I don't have that. And we start doubting every single thing in our life. Dude, if she want to leave you, she will leave you. You cannot do anything to stop her. You are doing just fine. You are doing very good in your life. She just don't want you anymore. But उसने तुमसे कोई चीज चुराई नहीं है. You still have all those ability to improve your life, to get yourself in a good position. पहले के टाइम में और अभी के टाइम में बस डिफरेंस इतना है कि तुम्हें वो वैलिडेशन नहीं मिल रहा उससे. And finally the third one, inaction. Do I need to even explain this? Get your lazy ass up and do something with your life. Start going to the gym, start eating clean, develop some hobby other than video games. Start doing simple basic shit. Stop using your phone too much, reduce your screen time, start going out. This is easier said than done, but you are not doing anything, and if you want to solve this problem, you have to start doing things. That's the simplest way to explain this, but there is nothing to explain in this point, dude. You look like this because you are not doing anything. You are not eating clean. You eat like shit. You didn't even exercise. इसलिए तुम ऐसे दिखते हो. All this self doubt is result of your inaction. These are the sure way to eliminate your self doubt. And if you are doubting yourself because of inaction, get your lazy ass up and get to work.